Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can do the DNA Yoyo trick. This is a really popular trick and I hope you guys will enjoy the video. See you just now. Okay guys, first things first, you're going to go sideways like this. Second, you're going to put your finger underneath the layer or the dimple if yours has one. Yeah. Third, you're going to want to let the string, you're going to wrap it around almost like a laceration bind around your hair so you can do the DNA effect. Cool guys, that's how you do the DNA. Yeah. Bye guys. Like and subscribe to become a better yo-yoer.